ngimhambisa-ke wathi-ke uma ungamthatha nje ungise-ke la engenwa khona noma lokhu kubizwa ukuthi i-entrance yase-Phosphorus.
If that is the case, which entrance are you talking about in Phosphorus? To which entrance did you take the accused to?
That is the entrance next to the shopping complex.
Ile ndawo yokungena-ke eseduze-ke nala kuney'tolo khona-ke noma entrance le eseduze ne-shopping complex.
Is it the only entrance or is it the only shopping complex?
My lord, I can't say that. I don't even know that area. So the driver was the one who drove to that direction.
Angeke ngikusho ukuthi iyona kuphela-ke leyo ndawo eney'tolo, angiyazi-ke leya ndawo noma leya area. Umshayeli uyena owadriver-ke waya ngakulolo hlangothi lolo.
Mr. Spear is going to deny that he gave you the directions to that particular place where you allege he has made a pointing out. He will deny that.
My lord, I would not have known those points if they were not pointed out by him.
Ngangeke ngizazi-ke lezo ndawo noma lawo ma-points uma kuwukuthi ayengakhonjiwe uyena.
It is further my instruction regarding, or let me just put it this way. Did he ever directed you to that particular place? Did he actually instruct the driver to turn right, left, stop?
My lord, we took him to, he said we must take him to the entrance. From that area, he said, now I see. And then he directed it.
What? Asimthathe simse la kungenwa khona noma-ke kwi-entrance. Ukusuka lapho-ke wasethi manje-ke sengiyabona-ke kwaba uyena-ke manje osesitshela noma osesikhombisa.
Yes, may I repeat that question? Did he direct you or did he direct the driver? If he says yes, now I can see. But was he directing the driver to say he must turn left, he must turn right?
Yes.
Uyena-ke wayitshela-ke umshayeli ukuthi manje-ke usungajika-ke ekunxele usungajika-ke kwesokudla.
The accused will deny that. He will dispute that.
That's what happened.
Uma uthi-ke uzophika yiloko okwenzeka.
The version on the 5th of June 2020, according to his version, he doesn't even know that particular place. The only place where he was taken to, where he saw that he was at Phosphorus, was at the hostel in Phosphorus, because he was residing there previously. That's the only place he saw.
That's not correct, my lord. I did not even know the points that he pointed me, except being directed by him.
Ukuthi-ke wayengazazi-ke noma indawo awayeyazi-ke eFosphorus hostel ngoba wayehlala lapho akusilona iqiniso ngoba-ke mina-ke lama-points lezi ndawo ngangazazi mina uyena owayeyikhomba.
It is further my instruction that he was coerced to point at a place or at that particular place that he didn't know. He was never there previously.
He was never coerced by me, my lord, and he never reported ever being coerced by anyone else.
Akakaze aphoqwe yimina ukuthi-ke akakhombe futhi-ke akakaze asho kumina-ke ukuthi ukhona owamphoqa ukuthi akakwenze lokho.
Let me just get back to the version to establish the history of assault, or as from the 30th of May 2020. For the point of correction that from the error that has occurred on putting that in version, I was instructed to inform you that when he was arrested on the 30th of May 2020, he was taken to a certain place in Litabong. It's a municipality area where he was assaulted. He was suffocated by the police. Furthermore, he was taken to, after that, yes, the Tabong is in Tembisa. After Tembisa, he was taken to Foslorus, where he was further assaulted. It is also a place, a municipality area. Do you have knowledge of that?
No, I don't.
Anginalwazi-ke lolo kokushoyo ukuthi ke washaywa-ke wasiwa kule ndawo-ke okwakubukeka kuyena-ke ngathi indawo kamasipala eLithabong eThembisa ila ashaywa khona-ke nokuthi emuva kwalokho wase esiwa futhi eFosloras nalapho kwakuyindawo-ke ngathi ekamasipala. Anginalwazi lwalokho.
He was also assaulted at the Kloof police station in the office, where during the assault, Colonel Mboto entered the office and the assault stopped. Do you have knowledge of that?
No, I don't have.
Nokuthi waqhutyelwa-ke washaywa-ke eshaywa epolice station lase-Deep Kloof kunehhovisi lapho kwathi masengena-ke uKolonel Mboto base beyeka-ke kumshaya nalokho angikwazi.
And Colonel Mboto was in possession of documents which he presented to the accused to sign. And he said to him, if you don't sign this document, I'll let these people to continue assaulting. Do you have knowledge of that?
My lord, I don't have knowledge.
Nalokho-ke angikwazi ukuthi-ke uKolonel Mboto wangena lapho-ke ephethe ama-documents ewabonisa-ke noma watshengisa yena umsolwa athi-ke na-ke akasayinde. Uma kuwukuthi akasayindi uzobadedela-ke lapho ukuthi baqhubeke-ke bamshaye. Angikwazi lokho.
Thank you, my lord. That concludes my cross-examination.
Thank you. Mr. Mnisi?
As it is the contract, just a few aspects of clarification. As it is the contract.
Yep.
Thank you, sir. You had told the court in your evidence in chief that the pointing out that you conducted with accused number 1 was your fourth one, not so?
That's true.
Ngishilo-ke ukuthi lena-ke pointing out ngakuyoyenza no-accused number 1 kwakuyisimo.
Am I then, I'm trying to tread very carefully. Would you say then I'm making a mistake when I were to say to you, you basically were in your fledgling stages, in your nascent, like in your budding stages in terms of the processes of taking down, pointing out?
I don't know what you mean.
I mean, you were still in your budding stages, means you were still new. You had not yet had or accumulated a lot of experience in terms of taking pointing out.
My
Not
lord,
in general, but taking pointing out.
my lord, in terms of pointing out and experience based. Experience one gains it by doing the pointing out and later on giving evidence in court about it. So if my fourth one is at infancy, I doubt it.
Isipiliyoni-ke usithola ngokuthi ngokumayela-ke nawo-ke ama-pointing out ngokuthi uwenze uye kuwona ubese uyeza-ke uzonikeza ngobufakazi enkantolo ukuthi-ke manje ngangingekabi naso-ke isipiliyoni hayi lokho ngiyakugabaza.
I don't want to leave at this point, but at that moment in time, when you were requested to go take a pointing out or to assist with the pointing out in respect of accused number 1, did you regard yourself as an experienced person in taking down or in taking pointing outs or in conducting pointing outs?
Yes.
Mina ke ngaleso sikhathi ngicela ukuthi angihambe ke ngiyosiza ngalena mara naye ke accused number 1 ngithatha nje ngomuntu ke owaziyo lo msebenzi noma ke onesipiliyoni.
Thank you. Before I forget this one, and after you've taken this pointing out, did you submit your statement as a witness where you detailed how the pointing out went on and stuff like that? And
Yes.
affidavit?
Yes, I did, my lord.
Ekamuva ke sengiqedile istatement sami ngasindlulisa ke la engangichaza khona ke ukuthi pointing out iyahamba kanjani noma yenzeka kanjani.
Maybe I need to explain it to you before there's a bit of a confusion. I mean a statement as a witness, not a statement that you could have taken at the time at which the pointing out was being done. Do you understand? Statement as a witness.
Yes, I did, my lord.
Yebo istatement nanje ngofakazi yebo ngasenza.
I don't want to labor the point, but it is unfortunate. I think maybe I need to simply say it very open and succinctly that unfortunately that statement, I'm talking on my behalf, it was never discovered to me. But nonetheless, it could be neither here nor there. But let's proceed. Thank you.
There's the statement according to Mr. Baloyi.
It's only coming up now, my lord. That is exactly what I'm trying to get at, my lord, that up until this witness started to proffer his testimony, I never had sight of the statement that he made where he detailed how the pointing out actually progressed as a witness. I
Mr.
never had
Baloyi,
sight of it.
you never discovered that statement.
Well, as is dated the 18th of June 2020, we would have thought that the statement has been discovered, the printings out was discovered. If it wasn't, my lord, then perhaps there was an omission along the route, but there is a statement.
Was it discovered, Mr.
I think this is the court, my lord. My lord, this is for the first time that I have sight of this document.
Right, Mr. Mamalo? First time you saw the document.
I haven't seen it before, my lord. I haven't seen it.
Ms. Mshololo?
Yes, my lord, I had not even seen it. Not seen the statement before.
Okay, for the fairness of the trial, I'm going to adjourn. And what's your time there?
10 to 12 minutes.
10 to 12, my lord.
10 to 12. I'll come back at 2.
As
you
it
can
is the
take
court.
instructions.
We appreciate the indulgence. Thank
Yeah,
you, madam.
and then we can
Cross
cross-examine, even Mr. Mgomezulu, if you want to read, cross-examine in view of the statement, you can do so.
Court business.
2 o'clock.